The last major bit of Git and GitHub knowledge I can give you is how to work with merge conflicts. One way merge conflicts occur is when changes are made and they appear on the same line of a file in your master branch relative to another branch, and Git cannot resolve the issue by itself. In this case, it needs your help to tell it what is the best course of action. There's another type of conflict, but those can usually be resolved by ensuring that your local master branch is up to date with their remote origin master branch. So let that be a warning to always make sure you are up to date with your remote master branch before creating new branches. In this video, I will present you with a merge conflict when I try to update my local master branch with the remote origin master. So here I am collaborating with my team on our Hello World project when suddenly I pull down changes and get the following merge conflict. It seems that changes were made on the remote master branch that are different from my master. In Atom, I can look at my README and see the conflict. Git separates our changes versus the changes that were on the remote origin master branch. In this scenario, I accidentally merged changes into my local master branch, and one of my teammates also made a change on the same line of our README on the remote origin master branch. I should have made a pull request so my team can review my changes. In order to sync back up with my teammates, I need to resolve the issue locally by removing my essentially unsanctioned changes. In Atom, I can see where the conflict is within the README. Atom has recognized that a conflict has occurred and has highlighted the area for me. Notice the less than signs followed by head. Under that, I have what is committed on my local machine. I have a divider of equal signs. Under the equal signs is what the remote origin master has committed. I need to remove my committed change and keep the remote origin master's change instead. I can delete all of the symbols as well as my changes and keep what is on the remote origin master branch. I can stage this and commit it. Then I can push these changes to master so that my team and I can share this commit and we can all be synced up together. It's good practice to be sure that you let your teammates know that these changes have occurred so that they can pull down master with the additional commit that you added. There are other ways you could have resolved this conflict and perhaps cleaner ways to resolve this issue, but the point of this lesson is to expose you to a merge conflict and ensure that if you run into one, you're equipped to make the necessary changes. It is always best to discuss with your team what is the best course of action to resolve merge conflicts. You now possess a significant amount of knowledge to be effective with Git and GitHub. If you're new, remember, it'll take time to truly have all the commands under your belt, but remember you're an internet search away from finding answers. We all forget commands. We also forget syntax and ways of doing certain operations. Moving forward, we'll explore how to take our knowledge and bring it into the classroom.